Good morning, Realu.
Good morning too, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Maria Lutamaka, resident sa Barangay San Mateo, Carigara, Leyte, 25 years old, ma'am, and I have two kids, ma'am.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I do want to work as a maid, ma'am, because this is a really wanted, ma'am.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is the place that I wanted to go through, ma'am.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I am very qualified, ma'am, because I am a patient, hardworking, and disciplined person, ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I graduated high school at Carigara School of Fisheries, year 2006 to 2007, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
My recent experience was at Antipolo. Took care 90 years old woman, ma'am.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My two kids, ma'am.
Okay, how about elderly people?
I do, ma'am.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
My grandmother, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any other special skills?
I do love cooking, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino food, ma'am.
Like what?
Adobo, fried rice, sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cleaning, ma'am.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My mother, ma'am, was the one to take care of them, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit, ma'am.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works in going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender your handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing to use your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore.
Yes,
Instead,
ma'am.
your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. The top
Yes,
up
ma'am.
for your phone will be bear by yourself. Are you
Yes,
agreed for
ma'am.
the terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you agreed to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
I am a hardworking, ma'am, disciplined, patience, ma'am.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will focus my work, ma'am, and do all the work that I need to do.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Realu, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will just stay in Malaysia, ma'am, because as I've understand the rules, I need to finish the 2 years contract, ma'am.
Okay, Realu. What do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Good morning, ma'am. If ever, just in case you choose me as your maid, ma'am, I will assure you that I will follow all the rules that you've said without any doubt, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, Realu. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Yes, ma'am.